Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are hale and hearty by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct an English second paper class for the students of class 9. Let's see our today's topic. Our today's topic is number, discussion plus activity. I am telling again, it is topic number, discussion and activity. Dear learners, look, this is our lecture number 2 and SW number 1. I am telling you again, this is our lecture number 2 and SW number 1 on our half yearly syllabus. Dear students, since our today's topic is number, so let's see with the let's start our class with the definition. My dear students of class 9, you know that number is an important grammatical segment. To know the exact definition and its type, I request all of my students of class 9 to open your English grammar and composition book. This book, English grammar and composition book, English grammar and composition book, page number 5. Page number 5. In these connections, we will look at the board. So look here the exact definition. Number is a grammatical distinction or segment which tells whether a noun, also a pronoun, verb or determiner in bracket is singular or plural. There are two numbers in English. These are the singular and the plural. Dear students, we have got the definitions and two types of and the definition and the types of number. In these connections, we will look in the middle. There are two passages. So look at the first passage. Mr. Aslam is a teacher. His wife is a banker. They have only one child. There is a small family. They live a happy life. Dear learners, in the passage number 1, we see this is related to our singular numbers, singular nouns. Now we shall read about the passage number 2. Mr. and Mrs. Hassan are teachers. They have 2 children. Both of them are students. All the 4 members of this family are fond of books. Dear learners, now look at the underlined words. For example, in the first picture we have seen teacher, banker, child, family, alive. These all are related to the singular number. In the second passage we see teachers, plural, children, plural, more than 1, students, more than 1, that means plural, members and books. These all are related to our plural numbers. Now dear students, we will go to our next page, page number 6. So look, these are very easy. Singular plus s equal plural, very easy. Singular plus s or es equal plural. Now look at C number. Plural forms of nouns can also be made in other ways. Notice the following examples. 1. Singular nouns ending in f or fe from their plurals by dropping f or fe and adding ves. Ves. So look here. Calf, cups. Next, wife, wipes, knife, knives. These are very easy also. Now write the plural forms following the rules or the following nouns. Thief, thieves. Leaf, leaves. Wolf, wolves. Shelf, shelves. Life, lives. Number 2, plural are often formed by making in internal chains of vowels. For example, foot, feet, tooth, teeth, man, mean. Now fill in the following blanks with the plural. So look at goose, it is geese. Goose, geese. Mouse, mice. Omen, women. Louse, lease. I have already told you about this in our live class. I am telling again, goose, geese, mouse, mice, omen, women, louse, leaves, okay, or lies. Now this one is done. Now look, this one is the important things. Nouns ending in is have es in the plural form. So look here, it is thesis, thesis, crisis, crisis, basis, basis, diagnosis, diagnosis, synopsis, synopsis. So look here, whenever is, look, is, and in plural form it will be es. So look here, it is written is and it is. So we have seen this. So what is it? It is thesis and thesis. This one is done. Now we will go to our next page, our last page, page number 8. So look here. Here some activities are given, activity 1 and 2. So in the D number, we have seen there is a passage about Karim is a student of class 9. He is my friend. We go to school together by rickshaw. We always share our rickshaw fare. In his free time, he loves to play badminton while I love to watch movies. These are the whole about this passage. In this passage, he and we are pronouns. Reads, is, go and share are verbs. And my and our are determiner. You can also easily guess which of these words are singular and which are plural. Remember, whether a verb is singular or plural is determined by its subject. Very important things. Whether a verb is singular or plural is determined by its subject. So look at the specific definition. A singular subject takes a singular verb and a plural subject takes a plural verb. Now there is an activity. In our live class we have solved this activity and this will be your SW, activity number 1. Now fill in the gaps in the following sentences. I am telling again, activity 1 will be your homework. This is our homework number 1. Now fill in the gaps in the following sentences. We have a pet dash in our house. We dash all are fond of it. My mother dash gave care of it. It dash to eat fish and milk. It dash us by killing dash. Okay, dear learners, whenever you will do your SW, you must pick up the sentences and in the gap or in the blanks, you will write the appropriate words. In activity 2, so look here, there is another activity. Rewrite the following passage changing the singular words into their plural forms. So it is about there are, okay, here singular words are given or singular nouns are given, here we need to change them into plural. So these are also, this one, the activity 2 is also solved in our live class. As you are my friend, you can borrow this book from me, but you should return it within a week. You should not tell a lie to me. I hate a liar. I also hate a person who breaks a promise. Dear student, this is about our activity 2. Now, dear learners of class 9, I am telling you again. So look here, I have written here homework, SW in short form, and this is our homework number 1 and your homework is activity 1. That means this one. You must pick up, okay, when you will do or you will fill up the words in the blanks. And so look, another information, you will submit your homework on every Sunday. No, it will be every Saturday, okay. Every Saturday, I am writing the days correctly, every Saturday. So look here, and you will submit your homework on every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. Dear students, I hope that all of my students of class 9 have understood this important and interesting topic. Keep practicing again and again at home and submit your homework on every Saturday. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.